Okay, this is how you properly set up your Adobe Premiere project. First thing you want to do, crucial step here, is create a folder on the desktop. I'm going to call it Premiere Setup. It's important that you do that. You're going to come down here to your Premiere icon, open that up. From here you're going to go to New Project, call it whatever you want to call it. I'm going to call it Premiere Setup for this. Make sure you go to Browse and go to your desktop and find that folder that you just made. Highlight that and choose it. This is very important too. You want to go to this Scratch Disks tab, go to Browse, same thing, select that folder, hit Choose. By default, these should already be, the folder should be selected now, and you can just quickly make sure you do that for every single one of these. If you don't do this, your files will be lost somewhere out in outer space and you'll have to start all over. When you're done, hit OK, and you can see all here that this is where it is, the Premiere Setup folder. Hit OK, then you're good to go, and your next step is you want to import your files. Go to Import, or you can hit Command I on the Mac. Go down and find where your SD card is, and I'm just going to select a couple of these. Go ahead and click Import, and you'll see them land here when you're done in the Premiere window here, your media bin. And make sure you're always hitting Save, so you can either come up here, File, Save, or you can hit Command S. And that's how you set up your project for Premiere.